Registered as a family group within the English setter breed.
This one has chestnut color.
Chestnut color, yeah.
All right, we got a whole group of pointers. Duke being escorted by Rebecca Parker, Rookie being escorted by Joan Schmelling, Swagger and Monty with Megan Voss. Did I miss you, buddy? No?
Now, I know Bob said I might have gotten a little trouble before talking about the pheasant specialist, but this is known as the quail specialist right up here, folks. I think these dogs are being tested as well in the AKC hunt test programs as well. Good job, lady. Thank you. You can see all kinds of color variation in the English pointer and English setters as well.
All right, after Labradors, this might be the